Hello, welcome to Tech Myth. In this session, we will learn about add opcode. So here we are writing the program in fixed format, and we have declared three variable here: num1, num2, and result. And all of these variable are of numeric type of size 4. Now on line number 16, with the help of cspec, I am assigning some values to these variable. So after taking C, you can take this program in just take F4, and then you can specify the eval opcode and use this eval opcode to assign the value to num1 and num2 variable. So I have assigned 5 to these. Like here, I am assigning 5 to num1 and 5 to num2 as well. Okay. Now on line number 21, we are using this add opcode. So what add opcode do? It adds the uh, factor 1 with factor 2, and whatever the value return, it will be stored in result variable. Okay, so let's see how it works. So take F4. So here in opcode, I am writing add. Then in factor 1, I'm adding I'm writing num1 variable, and in factor 2, I'm writing num2 variable. So what it do, it add the num1 with num2 and store that in result variable. So whatever the variable we have specified in this result field, it will be stored in that variable. Okay, right now our variable name is also results, so that's why it will stored in result. And here I'm assigning three indicators to these high, low, and equal indicator. So I have assigned three values: 90, 91, and 92. So how it will work, like suppose if the output or the value we got in the result variable is greater than 0, then this indicator will turn on and 90 become 1, rest 2 will become 0. If result is lesser than 0, then this indicator will turn on, so it will become 1, rest 2 becomes 0. And if the value is equal to 0, then this equal indicator will turn on and rest 2 will become 0. Okay, and below to that, I'm just displaying this result variable and all of these indicators so that we can identify, okay, so these the value is greater than, equal to, or lesser than. Okay, and line number 30, I'm setting the last record on with the help of set on opcode. So let's see how the output become. So here we are adding 5 and 5, so it should come as 10. So let's see. So we got the 10 and high indicator is turned on. Why? Because the output is greater than 0. So that's why we got the high indicator turned on. Now make some changes here. So this time make it as 0 plus 0. Okay. In that case, the output should be 0 and equal indicator should be on. So high, yeah. So equal indicator is 1 because the output is 0. And similarly, if we uh, do some changes like this, here we will add 1 with minus 10. So let's see which indicator will turn on this time. So result is minus 9, and low yes, low indicator is turned on because result is lesser than 0. So yeah, that's how we use this add opcode, and it is mainly used for adding the two values, which is in factor 1 and factor 2, and the output will be stored in result variable. So these are the old opcode that we use in fixed format. So but for nowadays we are using the fully free format, so it is always better to write code in fully free format. This is for the understanding purpose. So yeah, that's all for this session. In the upcoming session we will learn few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Method.